Hello everyone, Namaste and Assalamu alaikum friend. My name is Rahul Talarswala and I am from Hyderabad, Pakistan. I am currently participant in the Rehan AI Teachers Training 2-month bootcamp batch 11. I am also proud to be a assistant to Ma'am Gulshana Mansha and Ma'am Mariam Dulafkar training wale during this training. Today I want to share a short and meaningful review of a TEDx that truly inspired me. The speaker of this talk in scientist named Dr. Sugata Mitra back in 1999. He did a unique experiment in poor area of New Delhi, India called Hole in the Wall. He placed a computer in the wall where kids use it freely, no teacher, no instructions, no supervision. And guess what? The kid who had never seen a computer before started teaching themselves how to use it. They learned by just exploring, clicking, watching, and helping each other. That was the power of curiosity and freedom. So, from this experiment, Dr. Sugata Mitra developed a new idea called SOUL, self-organized learning environment. In SOUL, children sit a small group, use internet connected screens and learn by searching for answer together. There is no together teaching them step by step. The children take control of their own learning together. Later, he introduced another beautiful idea called the Genie Cloud. This means grandmothers and volunteers from around the world connected online just to encourage and support the children. No teaching, just motivation, appreciation, and love. The emotional encouragement build confidence and keep the children excited to learn more. He also spoke about the problem in our current education system. He said the school still focus too much on memorization and exam, but today we live in the world where we use Google everything. So he suggests a few powerful ideas. Make the internet a formal subject in school, just like math or science. Divide the curriculum into three parts: life skill, interesting, enriching knowledge, and exam focused content. And yes, allow internet use in exam because that's how we solve real problem in the real world. He also created the Soul in the Cloud global project where students from any background, village or city, we can learn using this Soul model. It gives equal learning chance to all children no matter where they come from. What inspired me most in this system trust children. It gives them freedom to think, ask, explore, and grow to get without fear. And it also changed the role of the teacher, not as a lecture but as a guide and motivator. So, friend, this is my review of what I learned from this TEDx as a student, learner, and an assistant in the Rehan AI teacher training program. I truly believe this model can change the future of education, not just one country but all over the world. Thank you for listening. Take care. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.